Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Sitekit metrics to analyze SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Google Sitekit metrics for SEO analysis, start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Ensure you have the Google Sitekit plugin installed and activated. Navigate to the Sitekit section in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on the Sitekit icon to open the plugin interface. Once the interface opens, you will see an overview of your connected Google services. Look for the Dashboard tab and click on it to access your site's metrics. Scroll down to find metrics related to Search Console, Google Analytics, and more. Identify the specific metrics you wish to analyze, such as clicks, impressions, or page views. To download this data, head over to the Search Console section within Sitekit. Click on the View Details button under the Search Console metrics. In this detailed view, you'll have more options to explore your data further. Look for an option to export the data, usually represented by a download icon or link. Select the format you prefer for the download, typically CSV or Excel. Click the Download option to save the metrics to your computer. Open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data to analyze your site's SEO performance effectively. You can create graphs and charts to visualize trends over time. Use these insights to make informed decisions about your website's SEO strategy. Regularly monitor and download performance metrics to track improvements. By following these steps, you can easily manage and analyze your SEO metrics using Google Sitekit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.